around the Shannon! You're gonna get shot.
Ryan!
Shannon, be quiet. You're so awkward.
I'm funny, aren't I?
No.
Not gonna lie, that made me pretty tired. I didn't realize I'm so out of shape.
You're really fat.
Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Bam! Because you just wanted entertainment in your 8:15 o'clock evening.
There's people outside.
So I decided to call you.
Shannon.
Make your evening. You are welcome. No, I really did call you. I'm pulling down my pants, Rachel.
Shannon's. Okay, I'm going inside. Bye.